vitamin hoarder, and then I'm probably like making myself have stomach problems. Hot girls have IBS. I would like to call this the cabinet of terror. Bath and Body Works is so toxic. Do not buy stuff from Bath and Body Works. Please remind me, someone, that I do not need any more dish towels. Thank you. Hey guys, welcome back. If you are new here, my name is Gabrielle and I love thrifting and organization and God, and those are the simplest ways that I can put what I'm passionate about. Today I am going to be doing a kitchen declutter part 2 video since you guys loved part 1 so much. I, definitely could have been done after that point, but I still have quite a bit that I want to declutter. I have to declutter underneath my sink, my spice cabinet, and my vitamin cabinet, and that's gonna be quite an undertaking because it's really hard for me to let go of vitamins. I'm a little bit of a vitamin hoarder because I just feel so bad because I spent so much money on them that I'm like, well, I can't throw them away, but then I don't take them and then they expire and then I'm probably making myself have stomach problems. Hot girls have IBS. Okay, what really inspired this was, yes, I did declutter in that last kitchen declutter video, but not as much as I wanted to. And then last night I popped into Goodwill to surprise one of my friends because she was there and she was like, you should come, and I was like, no, I'm not going to. And then I surprised her. I found these for $1.99 each, and I do have wood ones right now, but honestly, these are fine. And my vitamins are out of control. Yes, I have some of them organized, but it's not organized in the way that I would wish it to be. And then all of our actual medicine and everything is so unorganized. It looks so bad. I never know where anything is. If I get a cut or whatever, I'm like, where are the band-aids? I can't find them. So that's why I want to do today's video. So get started with me as I finish up my kitchen declutter because we are moving so soon and I'm so excited, guys. You're not even ready for how I'm gonna redecorate, the things I've thrifted that I haven't shared with you, the things I've gotten on Facebook Marketplace that I haven't shared with you yet. It's gonna be totally different in this apartment in a lot of good ways and then similar in a lot of ways because I'm not one for overconsumption to where I'm gonna sell everything I own and buy completely new stuff. No. We do secondhand in this household. Okay, anyways, love you. Let's get started. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and get started underneath my sink. Please don't be scared or judge me or think that I am disgusting or a hoarder because you see what you're about to see. It's really bad, to be honest with you. And it's been like this probably for a year and a half. I've tried to organize it once and I just couldn't keep a good system going and I just have too much crap, so here we are. I would like to call this the cabinet of terror. What is actually going on? Insert horror music here. Alright, so basically I'm just gonna pull everything out and go through it with you guys. I just got these gloves recently from Lidl and they're really cute, but someone please tell me how to keep rubber gloves clean that are reusable because literally it has disgustingness on it. One of my pet peeves is grocery store bags. Yes, I want to recycle them and I don't want to pollute the earth, but at the same time I'm like, oh my god, if I see one more grocery bag, I'm gonna literally lose my mind. Bath and Body Works is a no for me. I don't remember who gave this to me, and it literally is so cute, and it smells amazing. Bath and Body Works is so toxic. Do not buy stuff from Bath and Body Works. Please, I'm literally begging you. Rant over. Please remind me, someone, that I do not need any more dish towels. Thank you. Okay, I don't know if you guys have tried these, but they are garbage disposal fresheners from Pop Shelf, and let me see what the flavor is. Tangerine with lemongrass, and I usually don't like an orangey scent, but this just freshens up your drain so much. You drop it in the drain, you turn on the hot water to let it dissolve a little bit, and then you turn on the disposal, and literally it works so well and it makes it smell so fresh and clean. It is not sponsored, but I love you, Pop Shelf, so mwah. So anyways, let me show you what we're working with here. So we got some storage containers, some random vases, tons of dishcloths, scrubbing stuff, cleaning supplies, trash bags, and grocery bags. So I'm a little bit overwhelmed right now. But you know what? Trust the process. It's going to be good. And you know what? I'd rather be doing this now than in 4 weeks when we move. Because I know that would stress me out like way, way more than doing it now. So anyways. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. So I have these 2 baskets that we were using in our TV stand because our previous one did not have any cabinets, so I needed something to store stuff in. But now that we have a new one that I got from Facebook Marketplace with cabinets, we don't need these anymore, and so I definitely am planning to use them for storage in our new apartment. But for right now, I'm just going to use them under the sink because I want this ish to be organized. So I'm going to pop them out of each other. Okay, we just barely got it to fit this way. I am going to collapse all of these storage bins that I bought for the refrigerator. They are awesome, and they're linked in my Amazon storefront. But when I don't have a ton of produce, like especially when it's not the summertime, I don't use all of them, so I just like clean them out and then I store them under the sink. But then like I'm running out of storage space, so I'm like, okay, I need to like get them to like be a little bit more compact. Also, this is a hot take, but I love what microfiber cloths do and the way that they clean, but I hate the way that they feel. It gives me the ick. Even though it's pretty cute, the opening is so small, I can only fit like 3 flowers in here. So when I want to do like a big bouquet, I can't even do that. So I'm going to get rid of that. Alright, I'm going to organize all of my cleaning supplies now. I have these, which are super cute, and then these, like, they are made from recycled materials and natural cellulose with plant-based scrubber. Guys, have you guys tried Grove Co. from Target? This flavor is limited edition Hope and Bloom peony and freesia. It smells like a tropical paradise smoothie. Like, it literally is so beautiful. I love it a lot. I'll put all of my spray cleaners here. Alright, so it may not look organized to you, but I put all of my spray cleaner, like my soap right here, and little scrub brushes and trash bags, and then extra trash bags and reusable plastic bags are back there. And then I have all of my dish towels and then dish rags back there, trash bags, my vases, and then like extra storage containers. And then this is the lid to our pressure cooker because I just like literally have nowhere to put it. But I think that it looks so much better. It was the source of a lot of anxiety for me because I would just be like, okay, I don't know where my cleaner is, I don't know where my dish towels are, like, I'm just throwing everything in there, and I love it so much more. I mean, obviously we're moving in a month, so like things are going to be switching up a little bit, but I think it looks good. So now I'm going to do the vitamin cabinet. Hooray for me. Alright guys, so I almost fell off the stool. Welcome to my vitamin cabinet that looks like amazing. Ew. Okay, so I'm just going to pull out all my vitamins. Alright, so I cleared out the first shelf of vitamins. So I'm going to go through them and basically just throw away everything that's expired. Okay, so I cleared out the vitamins. This is clear. Now I'm going to clear out all the medicine, and this is honestly the part I'm scared for because it looks so bad, and there's so many like little packets of things and random first aid supplies, and it's like, how do you organize all of that? How do you keep it organized? I have already a pile of vitamins on my counter, so let me just turn this off and do that real fast, okay? I just fell again. You know, it's hard to be short. Okay, I just cleared out this cabinet. Take a look at all of the junk that I cleared out. Yikes. Ow. Okay, so what I did is I put the organizers in here that I got from Goodwill. So I'm going to start going through this medicine, see what I'm going to keep, and then I'm going to put it all back in and organize it. I just want to come on here and say that I've literally thrown away so many medications that I've gotten filled within the last 8 to 10 months. And they say that they don't expire until the summer or the fall of this year. And I'm not even joking, they smell like rotten eggs. There's even like Benadryl that I thought was totally fine that I thought I like just bought, and it expired in 2012. No, it expired last year in May. So basically what I'm doing right now is I'm putting like everyday vitamins on this front row, and then like sick vitamins or anything else like kind of more up on the top rows that I don't really need to get to every day. Alright, so this is what it's looking like. Here's all my vitamins that I should be taking on a regular basis right here in the front 2 rows. And then like more vitamins that I would take for when I'm sick in the back. And then here is like pain medicine, calm powders to put into my smoothies, extra droppers, antacid, hand sanitizer, stuff like that. This doesn't look that great, but it does look better. It's like all our first aid stuff and stuff in packages, allergy medicine, hydrogen peroxide. But overall, it looks so much better than it used to, and I'm really happy with it. Okay guys, so I didn't finish my video this morning because I'm chaotic and I had to go run some errands, but now I am back home after a very, very long day getting another Facebook Marketplace find, and also people at Uptown Cheapskate being extremely rude. So I love that so much. But really fast, I'm going to do this cabinet right here, and then I have a friend coming over, so I'm going to make dinner really fast. But I'm going to do this cabinet right now. So I'll just show you what's inside of it. So got my spices here. Obviously these like don't have a place. And then like random stuff, plastic, napkins, more random stuff. So I'm just going to like go through it right now and see what the heck is in here. Dang it. Oh wait.
Wow, there's a whole... Wow.
But the chicken's in the oven.
Are you filming?
Yes, I am.
You're going to edit this out?
Yes, I am. Yes! That's what I was thinking.
Oh my gosh. It swirls up, and that one goes like in.
Yes.
And like the swirl on the L.
Uh-huh.
And like that's obviously not an O.
I think
Like
it was
it's
like
just totally
that.
different.
Taylor
These
Swift.
are different.
Explain.
They're not the same.
Okay guys, so this seasoning expired in 2012. I'm just kidding. It expired back in August. So I used to use this all the time on my chicken, and I literally haven't used it in 2 years. It's actually disgusting.
What is it?
Total seasoning for cooking and grilling. I'm having a mental breakdown. Zoom in. Don't take my picture. So anyways, I just love plastic so much. As I said in my last video, not. Okay, so I'm throwing these candles away from my friend's birthday party last year, but I am keeping these because, like, I don't know, they're kind of nostalgic. Don't at me. I don't know if this is, like, still, like, really a declutter video. It's more just, like, get it together, organize video. Did you see that Harry Styles was in talks to do a $45 million residency in Vegas? I'm like, Elvis deja vu? What is this? Why did I keep this? Okay, guys. I promise I'm wrapping this up soon. Oh my gosh, I use these to paint. That is really embarrassing. Look, dill weed. Oh my gosh, we don't have weed in this house. Okay, so as you guys can tell, this is extremely chaotic, and I have food boiling behind me, and that is very chaotic. Okay. Alright, so I'm keeping these little chia seeds for like smoothies and stuff. And I'm going to put the plastic forks back up on the top. Like so. But it definitely looks a lot better than it used to. It looked like a garbage can. Oh my gosh, it looks so much better. Alright, so this is what it's looking like now. Anyways, I feel like what is going on with my focus? Anyways, I feel like it looks a lot better now. Just the straws there, and then like plastic utensils at the top, and then my spices. But it was literally like overflowing beforehand, so I think it looks a lot better. Anyways, I hope that you guys have enjoyed this video. It's been very chaotic and filmed over multiple parts of the day, but I feel a lot better because those were 3 more problem areas that were causing a lot of anxiety in my mind when I thought about moving. So I'm glad that I have decluttered them now. But anyways, I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!